Aonach Cásca.
Bei Aonach Cásca ar siúl is scoil naomh Áine. Caitheann, de Saharan. Cén tam, a deich chlog. Ar díal, bláhanna, plandaí, cácaí, ivacha cásca agus alán rudaí eile. Bei crack agus ceolán. Beg tóiríocht taisce ar siúl. Bígí ann.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Cad a bhaid ar siúl. Ceiste dó. Caitheann a bhaid sé ar siúl. Ceiste trí. Cén tam a bhaid sé ar siúl. Ceiste cathair. Cad a bhaid ar díal.
So Aonach Cásca is an Easter fair. Bei Aonach Cásca ar siúl is Scoil Naomh Áine. There will be an Easter fair ar siúl, which is going on, in Scoil Naomh Áine, in the school of Saint Áine. Caitheann, when? It's going to be on day Saturn, which is Saturday. Cén tam, what time? A deich o'clock. De is 10 o'clock. Ar díal, for sale, we've got bláhanna, so we'll have flowers. We're going to have plandaí, which are plants, cácaí, cakes, Aonach Cásca, Easter eggs, agus alán rudaí eile. So alán means a lot, rudaí are things, and eile is other. So a lot of other things. Bei crack agus ceol ann. There will be crack, which is fun, agus ceol is music. So fun and music there too. Bei tóiríocht taisce ar siúl. So there will be a treasure hunt going on. Bígí ann means be there. So try and get those questions done, and then you can check your answers when you're finished. Okay, and just make sure to put your page number and title up at the top. Question 1. Cad a bheidh ar siúl. What will be going on? Bei Aonach Cásca ar siúl. There will be a Easter fair going on. Caitheann a bheidh sé ar siúl. When will it be going on? Bei an Aonach Cásca ar siúl de Saturn, on Saturday. Cén tam a bheidh sé ar siúl. What time will it be going on? Bei sé ar siúl ag de o'clock. It will be going on at 10 o'clock. Cad a bheidh ar díal. What will be for sale? Bei bláhanna, there's going to be flowers, plandaí, plants, cácaí or cakes, Aonach Cásca, Easter eggs, and a lot of other things ar díal for sale. Well done. Just make sure to put in your fadas in all the different letters and words.